multiple income funnel review, and where you can also get up to 5 income streams. So let me show you that now. First of all, you go in here for the links. These are all the capture pages that you get with it that you can use. You can use one or more than one, whatever you want. They call them links, but you have to have the link to get to the capture page, so I guess that's why they call them links. Then you go in here and you see all the training you get with the system. First of all, you get weekly training calls. Then you get marketing system training. Now, this is something that's really, this you can watch all these videos and become a better marketer. And you don't have to do them all at once. You can do one or two, whatever you got time for, and then come back and do some more. And eventually you'll get them all done. And we go back into the system again. And now here you have the 7-step training. Now, if you decide to do this, you should do this before you start, because this explains how to do everything. First of all, lesson 1 says work on you. That means work on your personality, basically. And you got lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. And lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this. Now, you don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. So we go back into the system again, exit this training. And if you click on there, you'll see who all your teams are. And if you click on there, once you start advertising or sharing this, you'll get lots of leads, and each lead comes with an email. So you have all the information there to follow up. I always follow up with them because people want you to follow up with them, so they can ask you some questions. So it's entirely up to you what you do, if you want to follow up or not. Then you can see who's on the leaderboard here. Then you go to resources. Now here's some sample emails you can use to do follow-up. You can use these or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you. So, and then you'll go back into resources again, and you can see all the banners that are included with this system that you can use to do your advertising. Now there's lots of them here. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. So, and then you go back into the system again, and you can see all the social images you can use for advertising. So there's lots of stuff here that you can use for your advertising. Then you go in there and it shows you on Facebook posts and stuff. Then you got resources. And if you click on there, it shows you all your own businesses. And if you click on there, it shows you your bonus. Okay, so let's say that you kind of like all this stuff and you'd like to get started. Well, first of all, if you go here, you click here. I'm going to put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do the presentation of this website so you understand it. And I'm also going to edit with that same link. You can also join. And I'm also going to put my contact information under the video. So if you got any more questions, you can contact me. So that's step 1. Then you got step 2. What I should have mentioned is the system has step 1 and step 4 in it already. Step 2 and step 3 are open, so you can put your own opportunities in there if you have any. If you don't have any, take a look at the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10. Then I also have my bonus income. That's another income stream, and I also use this to get leads. For $1 a day, you can get 100 leads, and if you that's 3,000 by the end of the month. And if you get somebody in under that, you get another 100 a day. So you could have up to 6,000 leads by the end of the month. And you also get a little commission if you get somebody in on that. So, okay, I forgot to tell you about System 4. That's marketing authority, where you can also get leads, and they've been in business for over 10 years, so you get real good leads there. And step one is the funnel itself. They've been in business for over 4 years, so these are all legitimate opportunities. Okay, so let's say that you want to get started. Well, first of all, you go here and you wanna know the prices. Well, right now it usually it's $97 a month. Right now they have a special on for $49 a month. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. And they also have a yearly option plan, which costs you another 250 $350. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $200 commission. So so you got all that there. So if you it's pretty good thing to get started with. So it's entirely up to you if you want to get started or not. But that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So thank you for listening and bye for now.